This is Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 4. Coverage you can count on.
And from 8 months old to senior citizens, teachers are showing people with special needs how to stay safe in the water. Next, how one mother says it's already changing her family's vacation plan.
Local companies are partnering to provide these water safety classes to children who have special needs.
Yeah, Greg, drowning is the primary cause of death for children age 1 to 4 here in the state of Florida, and children with autism are significantly more at risk. Channel 9's Sam Martello spoke with a mother who took her son out for a lesson.
Baby Otter Swim School instructors emphasized education is crucial for preventing drownings. That's why they partnered with Westgate Resorts to offer classes right now for kids of any ability to jump in and learn skills needed to prevent a tragedy from happening. With a personality that was made to entertain, 10-year-old Diego loves to sing,
I want to dance, somebody.
Dance,
I want to be somebody.
And swim. But his love for the water didn't come without worry for his mother, Milena.
And sometimes he doesn't realize the dangers.
Diego is on the autism spectrum, so for Milena, she wanted him to have the skills to navigate through living in Central Florida.
There's a lot of lakes, pool. He's hot. Kids wants to be on the water, so I want that he learn to swim for that, to protect himself.
Moms like her are why the Baby Otter Swim School partnered with Westgate Resorts to host Splash for the Spectrum.
So those children are the forgotten children. You just have to learn how to deal with them, right? To learn their exceptionalities and adapt.
Children on the autism spectrum are taught basic swimming skills and what to do if they accidentally end up in the water.
And the child learns how to put their face in the water, the proper way to kick, learns to swim to the steps, learns to swim to the wall, and the last day they learn to, if they fall in, to turn, kick, reach.
The 5-day program is offered to babies as young as 8 months old up to senior citizens. And it's given Milena the confidence to book summer family vacations she normally wouldn't, like a cruise and a trip to Puerto Rico.
I feel more comfortable, you know, like that he knows how to swim.
If you're interested in swim classes for your kid or would like to make a donation to help another afford a class, we'll have Baby Otter Swim School information linked on our website, WFTV.com. In Orange County, Sam Martello, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.